my peeps to get paid.
Greetings, YouTube. Allowing to back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel here in Grow Zone 8B right here in Tifton, Georgia. And in today's video, YouTube, we're going to take you guys along with us back out to Boulevard to Mrs. Rosedale's planter and show you exactly what is going on with both the cantaloupes and the watermelons that Mrs. Rosedale is currently growing in our front yard garden extended grow area. Take a look at this, YouTube. Indeed, YouTube, indeed, here we are rapidly approaching Boulevard at Mrs. Rosedale's planter, in which she's currently growing both cantaloupes and watermelons in our 2-foot by 5-foot recently constructed hugelkultur garden planter. And in our last update on Mrs. Rosedale's planter, YouTube, this is what her cantaloupes and watermelon plants look like in that last video. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what Mrs. Rosedale's watermelons and cantaloupes that she's currently growing in our 2-foot by 5-foot recently constructed hugelkultur garden planter currently looks like right here, right now in our front yard garden extended grow area. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Just look at that, YouTube. Just look at the rate at which both the watermelon plants and the cantaloupe plants have grown right here at Mrs. Rosedale's planter. And not only that, YouTube, not only that, we have an abundance, as you can see from this shot, we have an abundance, YouTube, an abundance of blossoms on these plants, both the watermelon plants and the cantaloupe plants, YouTube. And not only that, YouTube, we also have an abundance of both watermelons and cantaloupes on these plants out here. I'm going to take you guys in for a close-up here in just a second and show you guys a few of the melons that we currently have developing on the watermelon and cantaloupe plants here at Mrs. Rosedale's planter. Again, our 2-foot by 5-foot recently constructed hugelkultur garden planter. I'm going to take you guys in for a close-up right now and give you a peek at some of the tiny melons and moderately sized cucumbers that we currently have developing on these plants. If you recall correctly from the video series on this particular planter, you know that we planted our cantaloupes first. Planted our cantaloupes about 3 weeks, I think, before we came back and planted our watermelon plants. We kind of did that on purpose to give our cantaloupe plants a chance to have a jump start on the watermelons here in this planter, giving us a kind of staggered harvest. We do indeed expect to be harvesting our cantaloupes well before we harvest our watermelons out here at Mrs. Rosedale's planter, our, again, 2-foot by 5-foot recently constructed hugelkultur garden planter. And now, YouTube, I'm going to take you guys in for a couple of close-ups and show you exactly what is going on with Mrs. Rosedale's watermelon and cantaloupe plants. Take a look at this, YouTube. See if we can spot any of those tiny melons beginning to develop on these vines. How about that guy, YouTube? You guys see that? Yes, indeed. We do have melons on the vines here at Mrs. Rosedale's planter. And we're super excited to see our watermelon plants that we planted again 3 weeks after our cantaloupes already beginning to form watermelons here. Right here in our front yard garden extended grow area. See that, guys? We're super excited to see both cantaloupes and watermelons developing on these plants. Take you guys in for another close-up now and show you some of the developing cantaloupes on our plants here at Mrs. Rosedale's planter. Again, our 2-foot by 5-foot recently constructed hugelkultur garden planter. Take a look at this, YouTube. You guys see that? That's a nice size developing cantaloupe down there. Take you guys in for another one. We have a few larger ones in here. If I can take a gander in here. How about this one right here, YouTube? You guys see that? Nice size cantaloupe developing right there. And take you guys around a little further to the other side of our planter. See what we have going on over here. That's a nice size developing cantaloupe right there. of a moderately sized cantaloupe right there. I'm going over this way a little bit. We have one right there hanging down. We have another right there under that leaf. So indeed, YouTube, indeed, yes, indeed, we do both have watermelons and cantaloupes developing on the vines here at Mrs. Grosedal's planter. And we're super excited to see what indeed has taken place despite our recent hailstorm here that shredded virtually every leaf on our watermelon plants and virtually every leaf on our cantaloupe plants. I'm gonna take you guys in for another close-up and show you some of that damage that our plants are currently recovering from. You see those leaves? These leaves were completely destroyed by that hailstorm we had. But again, YouTube, again, both our cantaloupes and our watermelon plants have begun to bounce back from that. And again, we do have both cantaloupes and watermelons on the vine right here, right now, Mrs. Grosedal's planter here in Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia, right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel and our front yard garden extended grow area. Thanks for watching, YouTube, and if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. We really, really, really would appreciate it. Yeah, growing cantaloupes and watermelons in Mrs. Grosedal's planter right here on Berry Boulevard. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Waking up early morning, it's a new day, and I'm trying to pave the way for me and my peeps to get paid. Hit the bathroom, splash some cold water on my face. Okay, thanks to job for letting this lion see another day. Herbal meditation, elevation in the booth. Ain't much of a drinker, but they call this lion 100 proof. Ain't 1990, but this lion's about to raise the roof. Get tested, let me tell you what this lion's gonna do. I'm known for ripping haters just like I did the last time, 'cause I shut them down every time I say what's on my mind. It was 8 years ago when I first hit the rap game, and way back then nobody really even knew my name. But it's a different time, a different city, different state. I started out small, but now this lion's heavyweight. Can you picture this? Sit back and watch me reminisce. I'm knocking haters off and I got your name up on my list. This lion's on the rise. You can see it in my eyes. I'm aiming for the top prize. I know it's been a minute. That don't mean I fell off. Rap king of the streets, and yeah, I'm still the boss. Each time I hate the steps.